Video taken from my front porch. As long as I don't fall, you can see there's quite a drift here. Is that good? Let's see. So this is what's drifted up in front of the car, in front of the wheels. Next to the house is cool. These are my footprints from yesterday. I cleared the car off yesterday, and this is a good, what? I'd say 8 inches. Yeah, at least 6 or 8 inches of snow. At least. This, however, has got a little bit more of a drift to it. And that's my mailbox out there. I'm going to try to walk out to. This is my road. Of course, the garbage truck hasn't been out here in days. Nor has anybody plowed out here. My house. Chris did clean off the driveway. At least it's nice and, what do you call it? Nice and fluffy. The neighbor's house, all nice and lit. Trees all nice and lit. And so for those people that see this up in the Portland area and think you got all the snow, we're in Corvallis at the, oh, what is it? I think we're at 700 or 800 feet just north Lewisburg area, just about 6 miles north of Corvallis proper, but technically we are Corvallis. And we got some snow, and it is snowing pretty good right now. So I cleared this off last night. Nope, mailman didn't make it yet. But, and for those folks that see us down home, nice winter look. Nice white Christmas we're going to have. Not sure if we're going to make it down the hill since we don't have four-wheel drive. Oh, hello, deer. There was a deer in the over there, trying to scare me, I guess. Yeah, looks like somebody tried to move some big berms here. Oh, I guess maybe that was from the plowing the other day. All right. Anyway, you can kind of see what our house looks like. Let's see if I can walk down towards the neighbors here. At least I can walk it. Looks like somebody else was down here yesterday. This is a neighbor's house. Some chunks of snow are falling from the tree. Not that much. But not everybody has chains, and not everybody has four-wheel drive. And so you can see the atmosphere that I live in. Some people are in kind of a nice little area down here. Anyway, such is the hill I live on in our little house. And you can see the pretty good drift of snow on top of the roof of my house now. Wow. Yeah, and I don't see there's mouthful of snow. See if there's any time of this melting off anytime soon. You can see the tracks I made coming back. But there hasn't been a car down this road in God knows how long. Alright guys, so this is for anybody who thinks it's not snowing in the Corvallis area, because it's snowing. Merry Christmas, ho ho ho, and all that jazz. Ka-chunk. Signing off.